The root word of negative is to negate. It means to invalidate something. So when you choose negativity, you invalidate whatever you're working on: your health, your wealth, your relationships. Chapter 15. Removing negativity. What we focus on, we empower and enlarge. Good multiplies when focused upon. Negativity multiplies when focused upon. The choice is ours. Which do we want more of? Julia Cameron. I was startled to discover that I knew a person who was unfaithful to her spouse and was attempting to reconcile, yet seemed addicted to the television program Cheaters, which is a reality-based show that catches adulterous spouses and confronts them. Why would you engage in a visual depiction of something perfectly opposite of what you say you want? She couldn't find anything wrong with this negative viewing, and yet lacked the confidence to believe it was possible for her to have a faithful monogamous relationship. She couldn't seem to see the correlation between the television program and her lack of confidence in her marriage. Everything in our life adds or subtracts. Words can add or subtract. Our experiences can add or subtract, and people can add or subtract from your life. Negativity is a single function instrument. It merely subtracts, never adds. Negativity subtracts from your life, your vision, your purpose, and your finances. It sucks your energy, enthusiasm, and hope. Have you ever been in a terrific mood or really excited about something, and then you come around someone who seems to suck the joy right out of your soul? Or maybe you've watched a television show that just brought you down, nearly depressed you. That emptiness you feel at the end of experiencing such a person or program slows you down and strips you of your vigor. You have to take inventory of your life. Are there people and or things that project negative energy? Are there people who are trying to convince you that you are going to fail, that your efforts won't work, that you're being silly for trying? What about the things you're listening to on the radio or watching on television? Are they adding to or subtracting from your dream? Do the people in your life and things you surround yourself with push you closer to your dream or pull you further away from it? You have to make a decision to divorce yourself from whatever is holding you back. Divorce is a final event which occurs when harmony cannot be maintained. There are probably people who have compromised your confidence, harmony, and peace. When you identify who they are, divorce them. You may not even want to contend with the emotional turmoil of discussing it with the person. If you're not up to the task, just continue to let them know that you are unavailable or truly busy working on a project. Am I telling you to avoid them? Yes. This is about your success story. It's about the preservation of your dream. You do whatever it takes, whatever is necessary. Finally, divorce the negative imagery. You cannot watch everything. I know we think that because we're grown-ups, we are capable of handling serious material on film. We are not. Feeding your mind with victimization, failure, and trauma will only increase your belief in the same. As the quote at the beginning of this chapter states, you enlarge or make greater whatever you give your focus and attention. If you starve or neglect an area in your life, you will decrease it or make it small. What giant will you feed today?